Hello readers, today I am going to show you how to access Linear's large collection of ebooks and audiobooks. In order to get started, make sure you are at the Linear Middle School website. It is linearms.fcps.edu. Once you're there, click Library. We're going to scroll down and click the Library Catalog button. So this is our library catalog. Before we start scrolling too much, let's go ahead and log in. Now, as you can see, it appears that you have two different options to log in. Truly, there's only one way to log in to our catalog, and that's using the Fairfax County Public Schools tab. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to log in myself. And you know you've been successful once you see your name. So here we are. Welcome, Sophia, to Linear Middle School. Also, there's my little icon. So let's look at the different ebook options that we have, some of our popular titles, but we want to see all. Okay, so here are some options. You will click on the title of the book and select Open. This will take you to Mac and Via. This is the website where all of our ebooks and audiobooks are housed. So now you have a couple of options. You can choose Open Now, and you're able to read it on your laptop, or if you have a phone or a tablet, you can actually download the Mac and Via reader, and you're able to read it on another device. Now, if you want to actually check it out and keep the book for 21 days, which is 3 weeks, you would click Checkout, which is what I'm going to do. Okay, let's look at another book. Just want to show you how to make sure you know that the book is available. So we have one ebook and one is available. So one of one. It's unavailable if you see a 0, and I'll show you that in just a little bit. So that's how you retrieve the ebooks. You do the exact same thing to retrieve your audiobooks. Okay, so here is an example of a book that is currently checked out. You see 0 of 1 available. If you would like to check that book out once it is available, click the Request button. So let's find a book that is available. Okay, 13 Gifts is available. So you can click Listen Now if you just want to listen to it for a moment, get a feel of the book before you actually make that commitment and check it out. But if you know, okay, I've read the summary or someone's given me a really great recommendation about this book, I want to read it, then you will click Check Out, and it is available to you. You might be wondering, okay, so I've checked these books out, how do I find them? Well, right next to your name, you're going to click this button and you have your list of books that you have requested, okay, when they become available. And you also have the books that you have checked out. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to ask your librarians about Mackin and checking out these audiobooks and ebooks. And there's one more thing that I would like to show you. Let's go back to our catalog. So we have ebooks, we have audiobooks, but we also have something called learning links. And so in order to find even more ebooks, I would suggest taking a look at Teen Book Cloud and Mayon. Those are some really great options for you to find additional books. Once again, if you have any questions, feel free to connect with the librarian. Happy reading!